We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me I know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with OSAT, Orbsat Corp. Now in this video I'm going to share with you guys a stock that is down nearly over 90% from its highs in the last several months and year, all the way to this point, and what the CEO and chairmen are doing because they're buying in huge amounts, guys. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with OSAT, a stock that is down nearly 90% from its highs, and insiders are buying. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and it wasn't just the home run of the day, but it was one of the home runs from the weekly watch list. And if you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single week and every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning: ABSI, QNRX, and this is when I mentioned QNRX on the weekly watch list back on December 26th. It was all last week's and this week's opportunity. It was near 52-week lows, and I was watching for it to create a bottom and support. So let's go ahead and see how it performed on the daily opportunity and the weekly opportunity. So QNRX was sitting sideways when I mentioned it in the pre-market after pulling back big. After hitting 250 and some change, it started pushing upwards, and you could see the volatility all the way up towards the highest point of 25% plus through the bull and bear indicators on Ultimate 42 Vision and the strengths and weaknesses through 42 Vision. Now this is how it performed on the week that I mentioned it. It was sitting sideways, pulling back, had multiple runs of 5 to 15%, and pulled downwards all the way to the 150s and took off to a highest point of 50% plus. So either way, there was an opportunity of 20 to 50%, guys. If you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with OSAT, and this stock has been beaten down. The most recent highs back in November was the $5 range, came down towards the 3s, jumped back up to the 4s, and right now has been consolidating and just took off in the last several days, right? And we're going to talk about why this stock has taken off so precisely on the 6th from about $3.50 all the way up to $4. We're going to break it all down. We're going to look at the size of the orders and what this means and what I noticed based off the charts. Now we're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision as well so we could see the bull and bear indicators. And by the way, you can now gain access to the 42 Vision Premium Indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision Indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. So it sent out a bull indicator here on the 30-minute, but when you zoom out and look at this from the 4-hour, I like to always zoom out, you could see that it negated this bear indicator as well, and it got a bull indicator at around 360s. And on the 30-minute, it got it around the 350s. Now, I am not concerned about this pulling back because there's a reason why it ran up so high. What I'm really focused on is the bigger picture. So I'm going to share with you guys resistance levels I believe are important and how this is near its 52-week low of 322. And the most recent low right now was 340. So this is a lot closer to the bottom than the top. And one of the great things about catching a stock as near as low as possible to the 52-week low or any of its lows is the limited risk to the downside is much smaller than the reward possible to the upside, right? But everything takes a strategy and some clarity in the charts. And with 42 Vision, I'm going to be monitoring it because on the 30-minute and the 4-hour, it's showing bull indicators, but the 1-day still hasn't shown that, right? But it's reversing with strength. It's leaving this extreme weakness area here of the 320s, going upwards, reversing here since the beginning of January on the 3rd, getting that strength, and we got a green bar. We want to see this green bar continue, and if it could play out something like this, go from 473 all the way to 620, that's a nice 20% plus move. I wouldn't mind some type of reaction like that, right? Or even more. But right now it is under a bear indicator. I'm going to be watching the volatility here if it consolidates in these areas or tries to retest the lows and bounces back up. Okay, super important to realize that consolidation or retest the lows, bounce back up to show some strength, and eventually get a bull indicator signifying some strength on the 1 day, continuing the strength on the 4 hour, and continuing the strength on the 30 minute. Okay, definitely important to keep that in mind. Now let's talk about what made it jump on the 6th from the 350s all the way to $4. I mean, that was nearly a 20% move. So let's look at it together. So I purposely put this here and I left it there because that's the last recorded information, right? August 3rd of 2015, sell of options from the Chief Executive Officer, David Phipps, okay? On what it used to be TRKK. Now it's under ticker symbol OSAT. Very interesting that this ticker symbol's been around for some time and it's changed its names and ticker, but most importantly is since 2015 the Chief Executive Officer didn't do anything, and now they actually bought, guys. This is a huge amount here, right? David Phipps, the same guy again, 150K. But we have the chairman and CEO, Charles M. Fernandez, 2.2 million, okay? And then we got 50K, 50K, and another 150K. You put that all together, that is nearly 2.5 million plus on the same day of trade dates on the 5th, recorded on the 6th, and we're having that reaction here after consolidating and taking off to highs here of about $4 and some change. Now, anything below the prices they bought for, I believe is a steal and a bargain, or anything as close to it, right? Even if it's not right there at it, the closer to it, the better, because that's when they made the decision, right? And back to back and adding up to 2.5 million in total, that's huge. And you got it right here, 324, 324, 324. Everyone got in at the same location, at the same time, on the same date. Well, not the same time exactly, but the same date, and everything going on and being filed together. That is a bold statement. I don't think they're looking to just go from $3.50 to $4. I think they see a bigger picture, and these are the key levels I would watch. 324 or anything below it, huge opportunity, and I'll also be watching if it's something to reanalyze, or if the chart's looking very bearish. Do I need to hold off, or is it an opportunity because it's going to bounce back, right? Because if it breaks through 324, I would reanalyze this situation and see how bearish it is. But if it's consolidating in this area between $4 and $3.50, I think this is a great opportunity as well, because the closer to 324, the better. Now, for this to start taking off and getting some momentum, we need to see this break through 433, turn it into a support, pull away from it, and then work its way up to 538. I think those are the two key levels right now on this area to start building some type of support and strength to the upside, and then continuing from there as we can continue to see the charts pushing upwards. Right now, it is going to be in a consolidation area here. If it stays within it, doesn't go back to the lows or 350s, but stays above it, that's a good sign of strength. And we want to see these bull indicators hold true, continue its leg up, continue to break through resistance levels, and create supports out of them to keep on going and going upwards with strength. The CEOs would not be buying down here near the 52-week lows, and at this type of amount and back-to-back different individuals, that says something. They're bullish for a reason. They know something we don't know that's going to happen with the company, or they're just taking a shot at it with what they're doing. I don't think they're just going to put in millions and hundreds of thousands at once for no reason. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.